Alright guys, so today I'm going to walk you through how to change the schedule on your Ecobee thermostat. So what you need to do is pick the thermostat. So I have two zones in my house. I have the main floor and the upstairs. I'm going to change the main floor. Here we're going to open up the settings up in the upper right, and we're going to select schedule. So currently I was just playing with this. I just added this away in the middle, but I want to edit this. So I'm actually going to select that. I don't want the away temperature or away comfort setting to automatically come on in the middle of the day, so I'm going to take that off. So I have two schedules set. One is when I'm home and one is when I'm home and asleep. If I want to change these, let's say that I want my sleep schedule to start at 9 p.m. I can hit save, and you can see that it is grabbing the sleep comfort setting, which if I go back I can edit comfort settings here. So for sleep I have it at 72. Let's say that I actually wanted it to be 71 because I want it to be super cool. I'll hit save. We'll go back to our schedule and see that now our sleep schedule starts at 9 and it'll drop the temperature to 71. Now let's say we actually go to sleep at 10. It's going to move that to 10, 71, and from 10 to 6:30, it is going to be 71. As soon as 6:30 hits, that is when the temperature will go to 74. So that's my regular setting because, you know, it's a million degrees in Texas. 74 is good for me, but at night I like it to be a little bit cooler. If I wanted to add anything in between, hit the plus arrow up top, and I'll just add it here. I can select the days that I want that to be in. But for me, the comfort settings are good because the sensors work really well. If I'm not there or it's not occupied, it just goes to my away comfort setting, which is bumped up really high. So that's how we're going to manage the schedules in Ecobee, guys. I hope it helps. If it does, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.